Okay, so this is a typical Euro truck. What do you call it? It's the size that they drive down in Germany and mostly in almost all the countries in Europe except Sweden, Finland, Norway, yeah, I think that Denmark also. So is this just 2 axles, 18-ton truck with I think it's 37-ton trailer or something like that. So it's 56-ton maximum weight, and 30-ton load capacity. And how many? I think it's 48 pallets on the pallet rows on the trailer. So of course we have a truck in front and maybe a dolly, and we pull trailers like this also, but yeah, we have a truck in front with 18 more pallet places. So quite a lot more capacity when we go away, and we can of course haul a lot heavier loads. We can haul like 40 or 50 tons compared to 30 ton on this one. So but yeah, the roads down in other places in Europe, they are a lot less sturdy, I guess, and you see it's not so high. So I think the height limit is like 3.7 meters, and here in Sweden it's 4.5. So we are higher and longer and heavier here. So yeah, just thought I'd show you this. I'm gonna try to film when I'm working at my other place, when I drive a pallet truck, full-size Swedish box truck, what you call it. Okay. Yeah, here is the specifications on the truck, the tractor trailer, or trailer dragare as we say here. It's 5.8 meters long, 2.5 wide, empty load 7.9 tons, maximum load capacity on the 5th wheel, I guess. On the truck, I guess you could put something up there if you want to do it. 12.1 tons, total weight 20 tons. So it has 2 10-ton axles, but there's something with if you only have 2 axles, I think you only allowed 18 tons on the roads here. So it's an 18-ton truck. Yeah, here you can see the specifications on the trailer. It's 14.1 meters long, 2.6 meters wide, and a total weight 40.5 tons. Max load almost 30 tons, and empty weight 10.7 tons. Yeah, so there's the trailer. So and height, yeah, height's missing, don't know why. Yeah, this is all in meters and in kilograms, so you have to calculate if you want to.
So this is a typical Swedish truck. 28-ton truck, and 42-ton trailer, or actually this is a dolly and a real trailer, like the one the Euro truck is pulling. But yeah, he's pulling it on a dolly. So he's probably 25.25 meters, that one. So that one has 51 pallet spots, and the truck has 18. And a normal trailer like this one, a 38-ton trailer, that's usually the standard size, with 48 pallet spots. Yeah, so that says 51, one more row with the trailer. Yeah, so this is what we normally use in Sweden. So yeah, more spots for pallets and more tons, and yeah, more capacity overall. So yeah, it's get more done with one driver, and one truck can pull a lot more than with just a trailer. Yeah.
So here is the specifications on the truck. It's almost 10 meters long, 2.6 wide, 4.5 high. So empty weight 14 tons. Max load capacity 14 tons almost. Total weight 28 tons. Yep. Yeah, here is the specifications on the trailer or the carriage. I'm using a different carriage than the dolly and trailer, which I show you in the video, because I don't really know the specifications on that one. It's yeah, it's two different units, so it's a bit more to calculate. But yeah, this is a carriage which we also use, a 5-axle carriage, 14.5 meters long, 2.6 meters wide, 4.47 high, empty weight 13.1 tons, max load capacity 28, almost 30, total weight 42 tons. Yeah, but here you can see the tax weight, skattevikt. it's 38 tons, like on a 4-axle truck. So I don't really know what's that about. It's if I thought they had changed that. Usually before you couldn't use a 5-axle, you had to use a dolly and trailer, but now I thought you could use only a carriage with, and it would be 42 tons anyway, as the axle, the 3 drive, 3 axles in a row, it's 24 tons, and the front 2 axles is 18 tons. So that's 42, right? Usually before you have a 218 in the front and 120 boogie, 20-ton boogie in the back, so that would be 38 tons. But yeah, I guess they haven't changed that, or maybe on this, but yeah, this is a new trailer from 2022, so don't really know. Could be that they have special permits or something like that to use it as a... Usually we don't, it's not the maximum weight. They are heavily loaded, but not like 70 tons or 64 ton loaded all the time. Anyway, yep. So here is the towing capacity of the truck. Maximum weight of the carriage is 44 tons. Maximum weight of the cart, I will show what I mean between the difference, and the maximum total weight is 74 tons, with both the truck and the carriage or trailer or whatever. And the most important stuff is the D value. That's what yeah, if the D value can't be higher on the trailer than on the truck, then you are not legally able to pull it. So the D value, or D-värde, as it says there, D-värde fordon, is 190 newtons, or kn. Yeah, so it's that's the most important stuff. Yeah, so here is just to show you the D value on the trailer. So here you see the D value here is 188 newtons. So it's lower on the trailer than on the truck. So then you can legally hook them up and pull them. Here you can almost see why the cart can't be as heavily loaded as the carriage, as the cart is half of the load or something like that is on the horse. So if you loaded it too heavy, the horse, yeah, I guess it would break its back. As the carriage is, the horse is just pulling it behind him, and the load is all on the carriage. So, but yeah, you have to still, as the D value, it's there's some force still pulling on the horse, as the same as the tow bar on the truck. The tow bar on the truck has to be a bit sturdier than how much the truck is pulling on it.